Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install Love 2, 0 and Deepspace 1, 5, and enable GPU acceleration if your machine supports it. This improves rendering and speed. Then create a single project folder, for example /projects/DeepspaceLove, and organize assets inside /assets so you can iterate quickly. Once done, set the base config, 1920x1080 resolution, physics time step 1/60, and a 512 MB memory budget. These choices prevent common performance issues. Next, you integrate Love and Deepspace so they communicate reliably. Link using the Love SDK bridge and authenticate Deepspace with an API key. This ensures secure calls and predictable responses. Stream heavy assets from a CDN and cache textures and audio locally with a 2-layer fallback so you avoid stalls. Then tune runtime parameters. Set collision layers, adjust shader level of detail for target hardware, and set network sync to 20 Hz to balance responsiveness and bandwidth. These steps stabilize behavior during complex scenes. Finish by validating and finalizing settings through deliberate tests. Run 3 scenarios: idle, peak load, and simulated network disconnect while logging CPU, memory, and frame timing. This reveals bottlenecks early. Optimize hotspots you find. Profile the CPU, minimize draw calls, and compress textures to between 0.5 and 1 MB where quality allows. If something fails, perform the key troubleshooting step. Check detailed logs, clear or reset the asset cache, and toggle GPU mode to see if rendering or drivers are the culprit. This isolates the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.